I'm going to show you how you can fix Lyft deactivating your account. First off, you can appeal your deactivation if you have been permanently deactivated or if you haven't already requested an appeal for the same permanent deactivation. So what that means basically, don't spam the appeal, right? So if you have been deactivated, send one appeal and then that's it. That's enough. Don't spam, don't send another appeal. That's it. Just one appeal. That'll be enough, right? Now, if you want to send an appeal to a permanent deactivation, all you have to do is that you have to head on over to this link right here. Now, on here, you just have to tap on this blue button here. I still need help. Tap on this. Now, once you tap on this, you'll see that it'll appear a form like this, right? The subject will be appealing permanent deactivations. You need to enter in a couple of things like your email address, your phone number, your description, an attachment, and then you need to verify that you are human. The description is usually the story on why you got deactivated. Like maybe you deactivate because of this, and then you think it's a wrongful decision because of this. So basically, just telling your side of the story, right? Now, after you send a description, any attachment, any photos, anything necessary to the case, tap that in, verify you're not a robot, and then you just have to tap on submit. Now, there's a couple of things you should know, right? First off, if you're a Californian citizen, you can only request a deactivation appeal if all of the following apply. 1. You were approved to drive in California region at the time of deactivation. 2. Your driving account was deactivated on or after December 16, 2020. And third, the deactivation was not related to your background check or TMV check.